Morning, students, and Jai Hind. Today, many privileges and as well as they played a very dominant role in the units as a judicial service. They provided, they maintained the law and order, the army, and moreover, understand. Or in this way, we see that a chain of lordship, a chain of individual relations, lords and the kings, the integrity superiors human being and the superiors or the mighty lords or the mighty kings. So this issues or this chain of the political aspects of the orders that which was prevalent over the Europe more or less. And the moreover, we have seen that it had their within their vast established the house. Understand? Of they had there were so many. They had there was a lord castles or the lord house or the lord's castles. They lived with their families, and as well as there were the ponds and the closures of the meadows or the spring planting, winter planting, autumn planting, or the common pastures land for the grazing of the cattle, and the moreover grazing of cattle. Road system was there. There were also the roads within the manor. Understand? Or the woods and the roads. We can find pond, forest land, forest, and the church beside the established you can now 13th century one the setup of the one manorial states had been the given from the taken from the England that we can see on your books. Each village was under their control, and some lords control the hundreds of the villages. Now the every lords or according to, so that dependent on their, and moreover, big manorials there were, understand, larger states, manorial states could contain or the everything which was the that was the necessary for the everyday life. It was made, efforts was made, understand, so that's why the manorial one manorial state had not to be the dependent on the others for the any requirements and the, for the any commodities, so that's what the states, and now here everything of the daily use was tried to make available within the within the manorial states, and moreover grains was grown in the field. Is the very easy. The grain was grown in the field in the manorial states. What happened? What the activities? We shall see the blacksmith and the carpenter maintain the Lord's implements of the cultivation and repair his weapons also. Lords maintain the weapons, the horses, the army, and the, now he required the carpenters and the blacksmith to maintain the his weapons, understand, and as well as the plow, and weapons and the plow or the other instruments, while stone masons were also, they also settled on that to maintaining the houses, looked after the his lord's building. The lord's building was maintained or repaired by the masons. They had been the for the floors, the women, and the white in the Lord's wine presses. Understand? by the lords. So the within the manors, the lords had a land. The grazing lands was where his cattle and his horses grazed. There were the left for grazing the grasses, and moreover, or now a church on the estate and the or the castles for defense. Lord's praying for the praying of the lords. Understand? There was a church in the every manors. A church was that, and any any abnormal time or any attack during that time for the defensive the for take the shelter and for the defense point of on the this planning had been given or the and the drafted on the your book. Understand? Next, from the 13th century or the some castles were made. Understand? Family could or can live there. Okay, the castles began to be the conquest. Okay, in England, these castles station. Okay, or under the feudal system. Okay, after the coming of the Norman, then after the manor could not be the completely self independent. Understand? Or the land self reliance. But it was not possible, sir. Okay, because all things boundary. Understand everything. That's why certain things and quantities. These manors the other states or the other places, and they are joined with the other markets also marketplaces. When they completely sells them because and the for example things or the commodities of the use within their manorial states. These were the for example salt, millstones, millstones, salt, the metalwares obtained from outside the sources. These sources and the lords wanted to the luxury style. Understand? That's why they lifestyle or the by the rich furnishing. Okay, for they led the luxurious life. That's why for that they had to purchase the furnishing, musical instruments, and the ornaments, musical instruments, and the produced. And these from other places are the instruments, ornaments, and for the other manors we can say, or the other places various goods. And apart from these goods, the efforts was made system. So for this getting a concepts much clear. Okay, and moreover the knights, understand, students, the knights uh, first from the 9th century onwards, understand, on territory, conflicts and the battle in Europe. We can see that a free lords and the knights. Okay, so the amateur peasant soldiers, understand, were not sufficient. We know very well for certain years of their lives. Understand? So now this was the because, understand, under the service, under the Lord's service. So the these led the so uh, uh, understand, got realized. It was got realized that soldiers were not sufficient. Good cavalry was needed because for the making the war. Understand? So the was needed to be the maintained. Horse, horse mounted army required. Understand? Or foot army could not be the success and could not be the became effective. Now this mounted army was very effective. That's why This led to the growing importance of a new section of the people, and this mounted a requirement of the mountain army. This led towards the a new emergence of who were called the knights. This requirement of the horse riders, mounted army, okay, now led towards the emergence of a new section of the people that were called as the knights. They called the knights, and they were linked to the lords. They were very closely attached to the lords, and uh, just as a letters were linked to the king, as the king was adjoined, or king was king was attached with the lord was attached with the king. So similarly, the this law fief. Understand? Called the fief. The Lord provided, and that piece of land was called as the fief, and the promise. The fief could, or this fief, understand? It means that will held these fief under their control. So it was inherited, or it extended to the anything between, or it was 2000 acre, or the acre or the more, also given to them, or for their family, and as well as the 1000 or the 2000 acres of the land. Knights, understand, a church was also another establishment uh, dependent, understand, and the wide, as in the feudal manor, by the regents. Was cultivated land of the lords. Similarly, understand, the knights also provided and they paid a regular fee to the lords and promised to fight for him in the war, and on to and the provide the military service to the lords forever to keep up their skill. And now these knights had to maintain their body, their skills. So for that, knights spend time each day. The knights each day spend the time fencing and the practicing tactics with the dummies. They used to fencing and the practicing tactics every day. They were in the practice to keep themselves the dynamic for the war. Understand? Or a tactics with the dummies. A knights might serve more than one lords. Understand? The knights. Sometimes this was the system in the Europe that one knights would serve the apart from their own masters, others. But his foremost loyalty and the much loyalty was towards his own lords. Although they could render the service to the other lords, understand, but their loyalty was completely towards the others, towards his own lords. Understand? Moreover, students, or if you see in this system in the France, there was another system. Understand? Also that it means trail. Understand? Means travel from a manor to manor. Understand? Providing the singing songs, which and the told stories, and partly these stories were associated with the history, partly invented by themselves, and about the brave kings and the knights. And these minstrels, understand, about they praised high to the knights and the kings. Understand, in the service of the knights and the kings, they praised them by their song, or in a age when the too many people could read and not the too many people. There was no literacy during those time. Understand? So that's the manuscripts were few. These traveling bards were very popular, and now these traveling bards were the very popular because there were manuscripts were not so broadly spread, because it was very limited. Education was not a spread. So under these circumstances, or under this condition, understand, under this condition or under this situation, they became state to state, and provided theirs or by through their singing the song and the stories, they now told about the history, and as well as the glorify king's achievements and the lord's achievements. This was their main aim. Or many manors balcony above. The one thing about that, in many manors, large large halls were there, and balcony where people of the manor gathered for the meal. And the time to time, people of the manors, they gathered for. This is named or they called as a minstrels gallery. Understand? Gallery. This was the gallery, minstrels gallery, from where the singers and from where the singers entertained the nobles while they feasted. While they feasted, understand? So these minstrels in the and from the gallery, understand? They now sang the song, or provide and gave the entertained the. Understand? So that this was the lords, and we can see in the box here, devotion has been right in the page number 137. If you see in the right, right side in the box. How a Lord sacrificed him. Thank you very much.